Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you why anti-MLM people cannot hate on Nexus Rewards. Although I'm sure they will find a way to still do it. But realistically, they really can't hate on the Nexus Rewards opportunity. Now, if you never heard of Nexus Rewards, you could always click that first link in the description, but I'll tell you what it is real quick. It's a fairly new network marketing opportunity that's based around cash back and savings. All right. So basically, you're going to be getting the ability to get, cash back whenever you shop. You'll be able to get discounts whenever you go out to eat, whenever you travel. They actually have a bill reduction program that you get access to as a premium member of Nexus Rewards, and a whole bunch of other little perks that you get as a Nexus Rewards member. Now, of course, them being a network marketing / affiliate marketing opportunity, yes, you can earn money by referring people to Nexus Rewards. And of course, you're going to get paid on the people that your referrals bring in, and their referrals bring in, and their referrals bring in, and you get a car, and you get a car. Oh, shit, that's something different. All right, that's something different. All right, but anyway, Nexus Rewards is super dope. In my opinion, I'm loving it so far. Now, with that being said, anti-MLM people, they'll look at that instantly and be like, trash. All right, Nexus Rewards, don't mess with them. It's a scam. It's whack. It's whatever, right? That's what anti-MLM people do. All right, but so I'm about to dispel any of the things that anti-network marketing people can say about Nexus Rewards. Let's get right to it. The first major complaint that people that hate network marketing have, they say, it costs too much to get involved, right? Why these companies got to cost so damn much to get involved, right? Because it is, to be real, some network marketing opportunities do cost, $200, $300, even $1,000 just to get started with the opportunity. Not with Nexus Rewards. Nexus Rewards, you can literally get up and running and be in a position to start building a monthly recurring income for $31. Yeah, $31. You ready to go. You get access to all of these savings and discounts. But most importantly, you can start building your own passive income. Now you might be thinking, oh, $31, like that ain't too bad. You know what I'm saying? It's $31 to get started. But how much is it a month, Earl? Right? That's what you're probably thinking. How much is this a month? So it's $31 to get started. What is it? $99 a month, or $77 a month, or whatever. Nah. To become a premium member and stay active with Nexus Reward, it's only going to cost you $21.95 a month. All right. So round that shit up, and you're looking at $22 a month, right? $22 a month, you have your own online business. You're good to go. You don't have to pay nothing else after that, but $22 a month. Think about that, right? That breaks down to $5.50 a week. $5.50 a week. And you got your own online business. So right there, haters, you got to keep it real. Like you can't, come on, man. That's cheap. Now, another complaint that most network marketing haters have are, crappy products. Overpriced, crappy ass products. They always talk about like, yeah, these companies, man, it's trash, blah, blah, blah. Well, with Nexus Rewards, everything is pretty much digital, all right? So there is no products that you have to buy. There is no auto ship products that you have to, put in your spare bedroom or in the garage, and you have to buy a certain amount of products. Nah, ain't none of that, right? Nexus Rewards is based around discounts and savings and programs. So everything is pretty much, online. It's digital. So there's no need to, have overpriced products, you know what I'm saying? Because everything that you get is in your membership. Once again, you're thinking, well, what the hell is the products? Well, the products, right, that you're selling, that you're promoting are cashback apps and discount services. That's what you get, right? That's what you're promoting. Now, keeping it all the way real, when you first get started, yes, you can join Nexus Rewards as a free member. And then a lot of people, they say, well, I don't get it. Like some of these apps, you know what I mean? Can't you just get them free, right? Why you got to join Nexus Rewards to use the Fetch app and the Rakuten, right? Like why can't you do that? Well, yes, there are some free apps that you can get, right, without even being involved with Nexus. So yes, some of the apps involved with Nexus Rewards are free apps that you can get just going online or going on your phone and downloading them. But as a premium member, they do have apps exclusive to Nexus Rewards and programs exclusive to Nexus Rewards. And that's where you get the benefit of these other discount and cashback savings apps. But yes, all that you get access to for $22 a month, also known as $5.50 a week, is well worth it. Another complaint that most MLM haters have with these companies is you can't make any money, right? There's no way you can make a decent amount of money from network marketing. Now here's the thing, all right? It's a known thing, right? That what they say, 96% of people who try network marketing fail. You can look it up. It's facts, right? Most people, they fail at network marketing. Why? Because A, right, the products are too expensive, right? Like people can't afford to stay in network marketing companies. Nexus Rewards don't got none of that. And another thing is, you know, people quit, right? Even people when they get started, they might sign up some people and then those people just quit because, you know, the products aren't good or the products are too expensive, right? With Nexus Rewards, people don't quit. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure some people gonna quit, but Nexus Rewards makes it kind of like the program is so dope and all the discounts you get access to on a regular basis. It's like the program itself pays for itself. The savings that you get as a Nexus Rewards member actually pays for your membership. So why would people quit? If you join Nexus Rewards, right? Why would you quit? If you're paying $22 a month, you're in a position to earn a monthly income, plus you're saving and you're getting discounts all the time. Why would you want to quit? So Nexus Rewards does allow people to build a nice recurring monthly income because people aren't likely to quit real soon, if at all, and the low cost that it has makes it easy for people to stick around with this opportunity. And yeah, some people might be like, well, what kind of commissions can you get off of a $22 a month program? Well, I'm gonna answer that, right? You do get $10 for every person that you bring into Nexus Rewards. So some people might look at that and be like, man, that's whack. That's trash, man. I want to promote stuff that's $100 commissions, $50 commissions, and so on and so on. And that's cool. But you gotta look at it like this. With a program that's so affordable at $22, you're getting $10 commissions. Remember, this is monthly. All right. So if you invite 100 people to Nexus Rewards, off rip, you're getting $1,000 a month, right? But let's just break it down a little more and just say you got 50 people, right? You got 50 people you invited. That's $500 a month extra coming into your account, right? $500. But remember, you got 50 people, but you're gonna earn, right? Just that network marketing. You're gonna earn on the people they bring in and they bring in and they bring in. So that $500 could easily turn into $5,000, right? $8,000. Like the number can really blow up, right? So you got to start, you know, where you start, but it's cool because those $10 commissions will add up if you stick with it. So there you have it. This is why anti-MLM people cannot hate on the Nexus Rewards business opportunity. Maybe you watching this video and you was a anti-MLM person. You might be like, damn, that do make sense, man. Let me check out this Nexus Rewards, man. This dude making sense, right? Oh, one more thing too. about Nexus Rewards, right? It's easy to promote, right? It's easy to promote. So even when you're a member and you're like, well, how am I gonna make this work? All you need to do is just share it, right? Do what I'm doing, make a couple videos, right? Get some flyers with the QR codes on them. They have some really, I can give you access to some dope ass flyers that you can use. You can take them with you places. You can put them on bulletin boards. You can pass them out. You can post stuff on social media. Nexus Rewards is super easy to promote. You just actually have to promote. All right, so I digress. All right, so if you want to get started with Nexus Rewards right now, click that first link in the description and take action.